Let's take a look at this YJ 2-layer Rubik's Cube. This is being promoted by Felix Zemdeg. He's an Australian world champion who set the world record for a 3-layer cube at 7.49 seconds. I found out about the 2-layer cube by watching one of those world record videos. While they were verifying the world record, the youngster was playing with a 2-layer cube. He was even not looking at it, he was just playing with it. That's how good he was. So I didn't even know there were 2-layer cubes until then. This costs around 600 rupees or around $10 for this. These cubes are quite unique. You can take them apart and you can fit them again, and you can even adjust it to your cubing style. If you want faster, you could make it faster, or you could make it slower. They even have loops for this to make it smoother. Let's open this. This is how the 2-layer cube looks. Pull them apart, you can see there is a screw in the middle. You cannot tighten that or loosen that to adjust the feel of the cube. There are 3 of them altogether, which you can adjust. Again, to break the cube apart also, you just pull it apart and it breaks away. I have scrambled the cube. Let's try solving this. This is how it looks once it's solved. Quite nice. Check it out.